Guys, I'm so happy right now. Really. I am so hungry right now. I'm about to film this video, but the spirit is willing and unfortunately the flesh is weak. So let me quickly go get something to eat and I'll be right back to continue. I'm so happy right now because I have here with me a large Louis Vuitton carrier bag that contains 2 boxes in it, a small box and a much bigger box inside. So let's kick things off by unboxing the small box, which contains a 6 key ring key holder, as you already know by the title. And the essence of this key holder is to prevent keys from scratching the inside of one's bag, even though it's not even a high-end or luxury designer bag. This envelope contains the receipt as well as the return label. Comes in a regular store packaging with a bow tied round about it and a pull-out box, that contains a card to write a note as a gift, and this is the dust bag that contains the item itself. So this is what it looks like. It is in the LV monogram canvas. It has a snap closure. Oh, and this lovely shade of brown with good hardware. And I'm glad I went for this color as against the fuchsia pink. It has the textile card. Oops. Ew. The textile card and the serial number. It says Paris, made in France. So basically you push down one end to pull out the bar and insert your keys into the 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 hooks right here. So let me quickly remove my car key from this Girl Crew Charming Charlie key holder I've been using for a while and transfer it into this beauty right here. And this is what it looks like with my car key in it. It's such a perfect fit. Also, it has this slot here at the back. Most videos I've seen on here on YouTube regarding this key holder says it fits 2 cards at the most. So let's put that to the test. My driver's license, a debit card, and while I'm at it, let me include some cash. And I am good to go. It's not bulky, it's lovely. For the price of $286, it's such a lovely top-notch SLG, and I'm glad I own it. Moving on, guys, I knew I had to have the next item when Whitney unboxed it as her Christmas gift in 2019, and then when Jenny Jenkins here also on YouTube reviewed hers, there was no going back for me. I have watched several unboxing videos and I knew that it's going to be a fun video to film, and so here I am filming and you guys are here also watching this video. This is what the box looks like, wrapped with this cute bow right here. I really hope this is a nice angle for you to see what I'm doing. Ew, no. Now that it's open, this is what the box looks like. The receipt and the bag inside a dust bag. let's quickly look at the receipts before we review the bag. This bag costs $2,790 and a sales tax of $230. Everything amounted to $3,020. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my latest luxury acquisition, the Louis Vuitton on-the-go reverse giant monogram tote bag. How lovely is this? Thank you, Lord. Please permit me to quickly read how the LV website describes this bag. Fashioned from monogram giant canvas, the on-the-go GM tote bag is as striking as it is practical. A monogram reverse pattern on the sides and handles creates a stylish contrast in color and scale. With its generous capacity, shoulder straps, and iconic Toron top handles, the versatile GM model is an ideal bag for everyday wear. I mean, how cool is that? So with that out of the way, let's quickly get into the meat of the bag. It is a big bag, obviously, with gold hardware, and the bottom has no fit, but I wish it did though. I love this bag more in person than in videos. The videos I've seen of this bag, they do this bag no justice at all. Like, it's beautiful, really beautiful. I love the contrast of the bag. You have the giant reverse monogram print, the monogram print on this side, the giant monogram print, and the reverse monogram print on this side. I love the structure of this bag. It's a very structured bag. It has a lobster hook to secure your items inside the bag. And I love the interior of this bag very well. I really like the fact that it has a red interior, which you don't normally get with LV monogram bags. And this fact alone adds more allure to this bag. The interior has a textile lining that is wipeable. It has a zip compartment here and 2 slip pockets. I really like the look of the coated canvas on the top handles, which has contrasting canvas that matches the bag itself. This bag is so versatile and I can't wait to style it, as it's just perfect for travel because it can sit perfectly well on your rolling luggage, and it's also a great work bag that can fit everything you need into it. And most importantly for me, it makes the perfect weekend bag. Another interesting feature of this bag is this long straps, which you can comfortably wear on your shoulders or drop down. I have seen videos where people say this bag is big. Obviously it's a big bag, but with my height at 5'9", it's just perfect. It is just perfect that even if you fill up this bag all the way to the top, you can still carry it comfortably on your shoulders. And it's these straps that made me choose this bag over the Christian Dior large book tote. So the straps are on these metal hinges, which make them fold into the bag well out of sight when you want to carry it with the top handles, either on the crook of your arm or just handheld. I can't get over this bag. Now more than ever, I am so glad I went with my instincts to buy this bag. You can't tell me anything. You can't tell me otherwise. And just in case you're wondering, guys, my name is Nena and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like this video. I would appreciate it a whole lot if you subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button, because the more we are here, the merrier it is. And that's all I have on this Louis Vuitton double luxury unboxing video. See you all in my next video. But until then, please stay safe and stay blessed out there. Cheers.